The course itself has been great. We've touched on health and safety, we've touched on the construction industry in itself, a little bit of wall tiling, floor screeding, so wonderful.
This course you learn a lot of things. Instead of just laying bricks, you learn about roofs, foundations, all sorts of stuff, so really interesting.
Learning how to actually put the tiles on the wall, on the floor, the health and safety aspect, the tutoring, the online tutoring, that was great fun.
The teaching compared to when I used to go to college before is a lot different. It's quite laid back. They make you feel like you can learn.
Really amazed by their skills and knowledge, and that they are able to share their life experience and actually how put things into practice.
Studying here is quite fun because at the moment we've got a lot of space, we're all getting to know each other and it's like a family kind of thing.
I've built some good friendships, in particular the Three Musketeers, which is myself, Dion and Daniel. We go on Microsoft Teams outside of college to share tiling videos and stuff like that.
I was thinking about like a couple of years ago, what can I do to learn something new in my life and to learn some new skills, and I'm very happy that I came across to this college.
I was looking for a course for the last 8 years, so when the opportunity came up for Lambeth College, I decided that yeah, that's me, and I applied and here I am.